So what's up guys, how you doing? I'm so glad to see you again on my channel, and this is Victory. Today I'll share with you one trading strategy that helps me earn money, so therefore I strongly recommend you to stick around this video till the end. And if you have any questions, you can feel free to ask all of them on my Telegram channel. The link of this Telegram you can find in the description. So there you will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. I also run weekly marathons to help you increase your deposit from $150 to $5,000, guys. So this happens every week, so be sure to join this marathon. And if you text me today on Telegram, you will get a sign up link for PocketOption with a 50% gift deposit and nice bonus, absolutely free. So guys, now let's move on to PocketOption and start trading. Having analyzed the price chart and the behavior of market participants, I open an up trade for 1 minute. Today we are working with a Euro-Japanese yen currency pair. We will trade with 4.6% of the initial balance. Each candle on the chart corresponds to 30 seconds of real time. Now I will focus on the reason for this decision and why I made an up trade. So as you can see, 3 minutes ago the price began to decline, at some point very actively. But after breaking through the lower limit of the Donkan channel indicator, the decline slowed down, and the price started trying to reverse. Stochastic oscillator and the Williams indicator also gave signals about a possible upward movement of the price. And we can see the price did grow, but when bounced back. Well, looking closely, yep, our trade brought us profit and we made our first $227.5, a wonderful start. Now let's continue and choose the optional entry point to the next trade. The price continues its growth, but for the most part it's fluctuating. The price is very slow, trying to get to the average line of the Donkan indicator, and I open a new trade. A down trade for 1 minute, the amount is $250. I made this decision taking into account first of all the general course of price, namely an active decline and when a slow rebound. Wherefore I believe that the resource pushing the price up is running out and where should be a decline in price. On the chart we see that after the opening of the trade the price was able to grow minimally, after which it started pulling back. Moreover, the new candle is actively declining and reaches the beginning of the previous green candle. The decline continues, 30 seconds pass and a new candle already formed, and as we can see, it's approaching the lower limit of the Donkan indicator. When it slows down, the price rebounds to the average line of the candle. Yep, we increased the balance by another $227.5. So we can continue further and look at the current situation on the price chart. As we can see, a bearish trend is clearly visible now. This is of course important to remember, but do not forget that our expiration is 1 minute. Wherefore, it's necessary to study the current situation in which options are possible. So I open a down trade for 1 minute with $250. The reason for this decision was the price movement during the past 3 minutes, when the price couldn't break through the middle line of the Donkan indicator. As you can see, the price slightly adjusted downwards, but when continued its growth, trying to gain a foothold in the area of entry point of our trade and started fluctuating, the price began a gradual reversal and decline. The candle turns red, 30 seconds passed and a new candle formed, which begins to grow rapidly. And again, fluctuations knock down its mood, and the price begins to move up and down, but in the end, the bears win. and the candle declines, leaving only a shadow at the top. Yep, this time the profit was $217.5 due to a decrease in the percentage paid out. We stay on the currency pair and continue. This price is stable now, having no strength to either grow or decline. The decline in price begins. At the same time, stochastic and Williams indicator give signals about a possible price decline. But after waiting for the decline to slow down, I open a deal for the price to move higher for 1 minute. The bet amount is $250. So I made the decision because I assumed a repeat of the situation in our first trade today. The situation is very similar. Bears are holding the price near the average line of the Donkin indicator, and both, in turn, do not allow it to decline near the lower border of this indicator. In addition, I took into account the signal of the possible price increase from the Williams indicator. As you can see on the chart, the price is steadily growing and has approached the middle line of the Donkin indicator. 30 seconds of candles have expired and a new one has already formed, which doesn't show actively yet. After standing for a while, it begins to blush and decline. While the decline is very active, it suddenly gives way to growth. Yep, and we take another $217.5. Yes, it was difficult at all, but now we can continue and find the optional entry into the trade again. After the trade was completed, price fluctuations are only gaining momentum. It when grows, when sharply declines, leaving shadows on the chart from its movement. Having made a decision, I open a down trade for 1 minute. The amount is $250. So the decision was influenced primarily by the behavior of market participants. As I said earlier, in the area of middle line of the Donkin indicator, the price is held by bears, and they don't allow it to grow. I also took into account the data of the stochastic indicator, whose lines were in the overbought zone, and they began a reversal to exit it, which was a signal about a possible price decline. But on the chart, so far the situation is reversed. After the opening of the trade, the price increased slightly, and now it's in the area of entry of a trade, just a little time left before the close our trade. And new candle is trying to decline, but only slightly. We are looking, and yeah, it was on the verge, but the trade ended positively and added to our balance $217.5. So I will close today's trading session here and summarize my results. So we made 5 trades and earned $1,107.5 on this, and all this in 10 minutes of real time. So today basically the session was very easy and we easily succeed in this trading session. So at the same time, I've shown you that trading situations can be repeated, and it's necessary to use this to make a profit on these situations. But before opening a trade, I strongly recommend you to carefully consider the current market situation, of course, and I definitely advise you to use these indicators because they can help you reduce risks and allow you to make profit over a long run. So continue trading binary options because this is obviously, as we've seen today, the methods of analysis here are not complicated at all. So guys, in the description below this video, you'll find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have and you're interested in. You'll also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. I also run weekly marathons to help you increase your deposit from $150 to $5 $1,000, guys. So this is actually a nice deal. So this happens every week, so be sure to join this marathon. And if you text me on Telegram, you will get a 50% gift deposit to sign up for Pocket Option, which is actually a nice bonus, absolutely for free. So this is a great offer for everyone out there who wants to start trading, and I hope that you made the most of this video. So guys, thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it and you like it. And if you really enjoyed it, so please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you won't miss anything interesting and useful. And guys, that's all for today. See you in the next trading session and wish you luck on your trading session. Bye.